Stingrays have specialized sensory organs called ampullo of Lorenzini. These organs allow them to detect the electrical fields produced by other organisms, which helps them locate prey even when it is buried in the sand. They have a venomous barb on their tails that they use for defense. When threatened, they can whip their tails and deliver a painful sting. This barb can cause serious injury to potential predators or humans who accidentally step on them. Stingrays are bottom feeders, using their flattened bodies to glide along the ocean floor. They have specialized mouth parts that allow them to suck up prey, such as mollusks, crustaceans, and small fish, from the substrate. Some stingray species exhibit social behaviors, forming groups or schools. These aggregations can be for mating purposes, foraging, or even protection against predators. They engage in complex mating rituals. Males often follow females closely and may use their mouths to grasp the edges of the female's disc during courtship. Stingrays are known to burrow into the sand on the ocean floor. They do this to camouflage themselves from predators and to ambush prey. Their flattened bodies and ability to cover themselves with sand make them almost invisible. Certain stingray species are known to migrate over long distances. These migrations can be seasonal and are often related to breeding or finding more abundant food sources. They have spiracles, small openings located behind their eyes, which allow them to draw water over their gills and breathe while they are resting on the ocean floor. This adaptation helps them stay hidden from predators while still obtaining oxygen. Some stingray species visit cleaning stations where smaller fish, like cleaner wrasses, remove parasites and dead skin from their bodies. This mutualistic behavior helps keep the stingrays healthy and free of parasites. Stingrays can have symbiotic relationships with remoras, also known as suckerfish. These fish attach themselves to the stingray's body and feed on parasites and leftover food, providing a cleaning service while gaining a free ride. They can regulate their body temperature by moving between different depths and water temperatures. By basking in warmer shallow waters, they can increase their metabolic rate and digest food more efficiently. Stingrays use a variety of methods to communicate with each other, including body movements, changes in skin color, and even emitting sounds. These signals can convey information about territory, mating readiness, or threats. They possess significant cognitive abilities. They can learn from experience, solve problems, and even exhibit behaviors that suggest a level of social intelligence. The unique shape of a stingray's body and its undulating swimming motion allow for highly efficient movement through the water. This hydrodynamic efficiency helps them conserve energy while traveling long distances or hunting for prey.